In a painful incident, 70-year-old Parthuri Behuri, a specially abled elderly woman, had to crawl for 2 kilometers all the way to the local panchayat office to avail her old age pension. The elderly woman, heavily dependent on pension money for her livelihood, took the drastic step as there was no one to rely on. Unable to walk properly due to her old age, the elderly woman had to crawl on her knees to Panchayat office, hoping that the officials would be able to address her plight. The hurting crawl resulted in blisters on her feet, knees and hand, the elderly woman revealed. The distressing incident has been reported from Rainsua Panchayat under Telkoi block in Odisha's Keonjhar district. Despite the government's directive to ensure the pensions are disbursed at the doorsteps of the beneficiaries, the plight of the women exposes the negligent attitude of government officials.
तमो ना कोन
पथरी
कोडी जाउछन्ती कोडी जाउछन्ती
एते तो अछि घर बननै
हां जे वर्तमान कोडी जाउछन्ती
एई पंचायत की
काहे की जाउछन्ती पंचायत
जे कहिला पंचायत बाबू कहिला जे आसंतु
निश्चित भाव आमे सरपंच एवं पीओ समस्ते मिसी निश्चित भाव तार जो वार्धक्य भत्ता जो गुरुंडी गुरुंडी आसुची ताकु मध्ये पीओ को निर्देश करी कि 15 तारिख भितर कि घरे से पीओ सार आमर भत्ताटी को घरे देवा पई व्यवस्था करा जिवो एवं रेशन मध्ये एबे 3 मासर पळे आसी ताकु घरे मध्ये आमे जुगान सहायक द्वारा तांको घरे पहुंचाई पारंत व्यवस्था करिवु।
Bureau Report, OTV News.